What's going on, you guys? GZ Trading here. I just want to address all the fear and negativity in the markets right now. It seems like with every dip that we have, uh, everyone just gets super pessimistic about it. And I'm just here to remind you that everything is fine. Hold that line, right? Hold what you got. Not financial advice, of course, but to me, just looking at the charts, I mean, overall, we're just bouncing off previous support and resistance points. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe if you're new here. And with that being said, guys, let's just dive right into the charts. Alright guys, so let's just dive into the chart of Bitcoin real quick. I'm seeing some support and resistance right here and support and resistance right here. It looks like we're supporting off of this level right here just fine, but we can also break down right here. It is possible to 53, 54,000, and we would still be good. It's just that this level right here, this line, if it were to be broken, personally, I think that'd be the end of the bull run. That would mark the beginning of the end of the bull run, and we should sell accordingly. Just diving into the RSI though in the short term, yes, on the daily, we've ran up, we're correcting. On the weekly, yeah, so we're nearing the top of that RSI. But on the monthly, we still got that room to the upside. So I think all this room right here is literally enough ammunition for that 4.236 level to 100k. So considering that target for that ascending triangle is 100,000 exactly, which is insane to me. Another thing I wanted to show you is that well, actually mention the DIYs investing, the DIY investors' opinion of Elliott wave theory being applied for Bitcoin. I think it proves true, but his prediction is like $200,000, which I just can't agree with, guys. I mean, I'm sticking to my fib retracement chart right here, my fib retracement of this top right here and this bottom right here. Just drawing the lines for it. In my opinion, this would be our 1 wave, this would be our 2 wave, this would be that big 3 wave, 4, and then guys, we would be on that last 5 wave right here, which is a little shorter than that 3 wave, if we're applying Elliott wave theory, which makes sense in my mind. So you do you, but this just makes sense to me. And yes, guys, I'm still super uber bullish about Ethereum. I mean, we're, like I said before, we're making that cup and handle. You can even make the case that this is a symmetrical triangle, but it doesn't matter. Both targets, they point to 6,200, and it's just my personal opinion that we'll extend a little bit beyond this price point right here and extend to 8k. That's just my personal opinion of where we're going to top. The RSI on the daily, of course, yes, we're correcting again on the short term. That's reflecting the weekly too. We're nearing that top on the RSI. But again, on that monthly, we still have some ammunition for more upside potential. So just look out for that, guys. But overall, we are still broken out of this pattern right here, and we should be expecting more upside in the coming weeks. Okay, looking at the chart for CRO, I'm seeing 2 levels to look out for. Maybe we can just come down and correct to 25 cents to 24 cents, or maybe we can come down to this level right here and correct to a range of 20 to 17 cents. But what I'm hoping for is this right here. I'm thinking maybe this is forming some kind of bull flag of some sort, and if that's the case, that target is targeting 55 to 60 cents. So hopefully that happens, but it's just something to look out for. To the RSI once again, correcting on the daily. On the weekly, we're nearing the top, but again, on that monthly, we still have some more ammunition to the upside, guys. I mean, And just to consider, the 4.236 level is at that 90-cent level, and I'm really confident that this coin can reach that high because, like I said in my previous videos, this coin has everything under its belt. Yeah, I don't see why it won't pump. The infamous XRP. So still looking at the symmetrical triangle. I can see that it broke out of it for a short period of time. Had a little fake out to 12 cents, which is incredible to me. Just corrected that fast. And that now we're bouncing out of it again. So hopefully we get enough momentum in the near future to officially break out of the symmetrical triangle. I think we will. I mean, I think overall we supported off of this level right here, and we should continue our journey all the way up here, which is the target for this triangle. So hopefully that happens. XRP's RSI on the weekly, it looks like we still got some of that ammunition left to pump to the upside, as well as the monthly to really give us that November to remember that everyone's bugging about. So this coin, unless it breaks it out of its support structures, you have no reason to not be bullish about it. I mean, at least in my opinion. And lastly, guys, I just saved this ticking time bomb of a chart for last. DGB, man. I mean, we're still ranging in the symmetrical triangle. Haven't even broke out of it. Right now, we're just bouncing off of this support line right here. And we still got that potential for 18 to 20 cents. So once it reaches that level, based off from my previous videos, you already know, I think that would complete that cup and handle, which would shoot us off into space to 32, 33 cents. So if that were to pull off, we'd be legends, guys. We'd be freaking legends. So you already know my opinion. I think if you throw a fat bag of this, I don't think you'd be disappointed. Weekly, still got some gas for that upside. And for the monthly, we got so much ammunition for upside potential. So guys, don't sleep on this coin, please. Also just did want to mention this pi cycle top indicator. I feel like no one really talks about this indicator too much, so I just want to bring it to your attention. It looks like to me we're pulling another 2013. I mean, so does everybody else, right? You see on Twitter all the time about this 2013 market bull cycle looking exactly like the bull cycle that we have right now. Historically, I mean, this chart has been accurate. I mean, looking at the yellow crossing to the green line, top comes down, yellow crossing to the green, top comes down. For 2017, only one top, yellow goes in the green. You get it. You know what I'm saying? But one of two things could happen right here. Because looking at the 2013 market cycle right here, you can see that the green kind of overflows over here and the yellow kind of overflows down here. And look who we have right now, right? So maybe this is just a fake out and we could just dip. You know, it's just a possibility to consider, right? Or we can just pull another 2013 and we just shoot up to the moon. But I think, I think assuming that we are going to go up, I think Bitcoin could easily reach $100,000 or at least near $100,000. There's just too much news. There's just too much news and big investors that are going to this market. And I just think it's enough fuel to reach that high. And also just wanted to bring the stock to flow model to your attention as well. I mean, this chart actually helped me grab the bottom of Bitcoin at $3,000, so I'm really thankful for that. That's awesome. But looking at these tops, in 2013 it's skyrocketed way past this red line right here. And then you have like a medium top right here, not as big as this one. So it's just, I think it makes sense in my mind that we'll just make like a little hill right above this red line to 100,000 or maybe a little bit over, like I said before. And considering the little chart down here, big top, medium top, maybe small top. above that line right there. So let me know your opinion about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Just let me know what can I improve on in the comments. All right, like, I'm all about that constructive criticism, and anything that I can improve on to make better content for you guys, I'll take that into account. Let me know if this video really just was valuable to you. And with that being said, that's all I got. Good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world, and you have a good one.